What is up, Pyros? Today I'm going to do my 2021 firework stash. Sin City Pyro. I got a pretty good amount this year. Today is July 3rd and I'm ready to blow stuff up tomorrow, Sunday. Let's go. I'm about to show you guys my whole stash right now. So this year was crazy. We had that whole pandemic. We had the virus, firework shortages. We had shipments that weren't coming in. So it was a crazy year. But let's get it. Alright, so starting off, we got these so amazing assortments. And these are for like my little cousins that always trying to shoot my fireworks and I don't want them to get hurt. So some Safe and Sane fireworks for them. Whole bunch of them. Alright, so you guys know me. I'm a shell guy. And I got a bunch load of shells. So starting off, we got 2 Raccoon Firework Nishiki Blast. 2 6-packs. And then we got big bad double break shells by Grey Grizzly. So I got those. Then we got the giant pandas, the 6-inch. Then right here we got an assortment, Primo assortment by Window Fireworks. I did a unboxing on this, Has a pretty good amount of stuff, everything you need. I'm gonna let my brother shoot that off. And then starting off with the shells, Cobra Kai 5-inch Warrior shells. These are like some great consumer shells. They're practically like loud salutes. Next to it, we got Window Fireworks G-Force. And these shells are very good, guys. We don't want that to fall. Next to it, we got Holy Nishiki 5-inch Nishiki Willows. These are similar to the Nishiki Blast. I believe they're the same. Just these are 6-packs. These are the 24 kit. So shot these last year. Badass. Alright, next up we got the Calavera Bombas de la Muerte. And then up here we got a 6-pack of the 1.4G tails. I forgot what they're called, but those were badass back in 2017. And then we got the new Outlaw shells, Extra Flamin' Hot by Outlaw Pyro. I demoed these off the other day. And we got a case over there. Down here, we got Demigod shells by Outlaw. So I got demo on this one too. It's on my channel. These are good shells. Then right here we got Dictator 5-inch by Magnus. And these shells are also good. I recommend picking those up if you see them. We got El Mariachi shells, 6-inch. And these are also by Outlaw Pyro. Then got another Demigod. So you got the case over there. And then Skid Row shells, picked those up too. They were double breaks. They were good too. Skid Row by Outlaw. And right here we got the Ganjas Killa 5-inch shells. We got the 3-packs and then we got some zombie shells in there. So yeah, we got the zombie shells. So we got zombie shells and we got some Cobra Kais. So we got that. Got the case of Cobra Kais. And then moving on, here's my Sin City rack. Let's get this out the way. Put it right here. And then moving on to some cakes. I picked up this Wild West case by Sewing Fireworks. Let me go get the knife. So you're gonna open the case. So let me take one out. Alright, here it is. Wild West. 15 shots. Effects. Blue with white strobe, orange with green strobe, red and green time rain palm, red strobe with chrysanthemums. And here are the colors: blue, white, orange, green, red, gold. So this is 6 in a case, 500 grams, and it has some good weight to it. I saw a video and it looked pretty nice, so I had to pick it up. So I got that. Let me move this over here. I put that aside, and then right here I got Region of Boom by Warrior Fireworks. Here it is, the case 4-1. Region of Boom, 10 shots. Let's see if I can get the performance. Alright, here it is, 500 grams. It has performance. No performance, but I saw the video and it looks good. It's a banger for sure. So I want you to see how it looks on the inside, so I cut it open. Here's the tubes, calibers. They're pretty big. So yeah, I got the case of that. Alright, so my video is pretty much everywhere, but we got some stuff in here. We got some bottle rockets, screaming alien rockets, and I believe some window ones in there. Got a 100-shot barrage. We got some firecrackers, 50 shots. Got a whole bunch of those. Then we got some assorted neon artillery shells. These are little hitters, so you can shoot some of those to get the nice started. Got some mini artilleries, some random ones, ground blooms, a smoke one, and some jumping jacks. And then we got 3 neon invasion and 3 G-force. And that's the side. And then in this box right here. So yeah, last year I had a whole bunch and didn't get to finish it all. Cops ruined it, but we still lit up the rest, but just not all of it. Got some red apple festival balls. There's that. Another barrage. I didn't get to shoot this one off. 280 shots. For sure lighting that off this year. I don't care what they say. More brown ones. Some wisdom rockets by Winda. Some raccoon 10-ball shots. We got some of these space devils. Shoot up. We got some Enjoy fountain. Got bamboo, starfighter, fire engine red, fountains, mini copperheads by Fountain, Roman candles, brothers, Pyro start crackling ones. Yeah, that's that. Firecrackers, bottle rockets, this one. have these artillery ones. Artillery. Then got Roman candles, a bunch of them. Roman candles, smoke balls, novelties. Yeah, fountains. Yeah, pretty much a whole little stuff. Those are fun to light off season. It's 108 degrees outside, but in here it's probably even more. Sweating for you guys. Also got these morning glories by Big Fireworks. Got them from Redbeard. So here I got the Outlaw shells. I never opened the case. Now we are. These are 4-in-1. Here we got extra Flamin' Hot Outlaw shells. Did a demo on these, so go check it out on my channel. I demoed all the shells. Alright, so now we're gonna get into my favorite stuff. So here we got a case of these Black Dragons. I already shot some of this box right here, but if you know, you know. Silver tops. So got a case of this. Over here, we got some of the multiples. We got this rocket right here. We got the F-Zero. And then we got 2 of the dandelion crackle Roman candles. So that's dope. And here is the Neon Invasion, I believe. I forgot about this one right here too. It's got a whole bunch of random shells. I believe these are dictators. We got a zombie. My phone had cut off because it said temperature too hot. It's really hot in here. Got some fuse. And then we got some ganja, some calavera. Then some Excalibur Platinums, 5-inch. I think these are all 5-inch in here. Yeah, like, still got like a whole 3 6-packs of like the Platinums. Maybe that's more than 3, I'm not sure, but it's probably like a whole kit of Platinums. Here we got some Willows, some Nightwings, NWs, Black Hands. Gotta shoot one off later. So there's that. So over here we got the EOF, Echo Freedom, Clown. Here we got some Angry Birds. I believe it's 25 shots, both of them. Right here we got some Buddha shells. If you know, you know. So yeah, last year I got comments saying, you need some salutes, you need the one ones, you need some of the good stuff. So this year I ended up getting my hand on one of these bad boys. If you know, you know. 228 shots. This thing weighs like 80-90 pounds. I ain't even serious. Probably weighs more than my girlfriend or something. It's heavy. Smiley rewrap. If you know, you know. So I'm gonna shut down my neighborhood this year with that. I'm super excited to shoot that off this year. Super excited. Yeah, it's my first 1-1, but next year for sure, I'm gonna try to get all cakes. Like, just all cakes, because I always get shells, but for real, I know I said that last year, but this year was tough. And all the stores I went to, they all had shells, so they didn't have much of cakes, but this year I am. So here's my 18 shooter rack. I got my 12 shooter, and then I got a little 6 shooter, like, just for fun. And then that could hold like the little cakes or the fountain, that small one right there. Then I got a package in the mail today, actually. I'm about to open it up. So I got this TS4000, recommended by all the Pyros. Best torch. And I got this in the mail. Pyro boom. Light up the sky. Hell yeah. So I ended up getting some 2-inch. 2 for the 2-inch shells. Got 2 of the 2.5-inch. Then we got 2 3-inch for the 3-inch. For the cocos. And we got these bad boys right here. The 4-inch. Then to get some Pyro boom. And yes, that was a drop of sweat because it's hot as hell in here. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much my whole 4th of July stash right here, 2021. I'll give you guys a little recap. Novelties, my racks for the kids, got that. Pretty much going through everything right now. Got a bunch of shells, guys. These are my cakes. Got those. All our shells. This bad boy that I'm gonna scare the shit out of the whole neighborhood right there. So yeah, guys, this is my 2021 fireworks stash. Hit the like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. Is go big or go home every year? This year, little bit of both, but yeah, there'll be better years, guys. Sin City Pyro out.